guys, it's Renee from Raw Branded, and today we're going to talk about how to brand yourself on YouTube. Thankfully, YouTube makes it really easy to brand yourself on this channel. They allow you so many different ways that you're probably not even thinking about to utilize so that you can make your mark on this platform. Now, let me back up the truck. Okay, I'm going to back up the truck here because there's so many things that people are not taking advantage of because they're missing the mark and they're not quite seeing the opportunity to really brand themselves on this platform. So I'm just going to break it down for you just so you can take note and think about it when you're ready to upload your videos and put yourself out there on this platform. Remember, the whole goal is for you to remain memorable. You want people to remember your brand. You want to stand out so that when you're looking at the feed, you know, when all those videos or related videos are there off to the, when you're looking on the platform, it should be to the right, and you see the list of related videos, that your video stands out from all the other related videos. And not only that, but your video stands out, but then any other videos that you might have that are related and they may have it listed within that listing, people can see the connection here that that's the same person because it looks the same, and that's a video is from the same person because it's styled similarly. It has the same branding, it has the same feel, it has the same color, it has the same font, maybe the same kind of layout. You know, think about that before you're doing any of your, and what I'm referring to here are your thumbnails. The first thing you can do to really brand your video is to work on your thumbnails, okay? So the thumbnails are basically the cover of your videos, what you see. Just think of it like Netflix, right? You're there and you're looking at what to watch, and you know, you're scanning all the listing of the TV shows and movies, and you're looking at the thumbnails. Those are the things that are jumping out at you, hopefully, and capturing your attention. So that's the same kind of scenario. Think of that psychology when you're creating the thumbnails for your videos. You want them to jump out. But not only do you want them to jump out, but you want to, if someone were to go to your channel, they want to see that all the thumbnails that are listed for your videos make sense, that they're holistic, that they're similarly branded, they got the same or similar colors and similar style and similar font, and you know, they want that same look and feel so that they know how to identify those videos as yours. So you really got to think through that cover. Think of it like a cover art of an album or a movie or a TV show like you're looking through Netflix. You really want to brand that thumbnail. So that's number one. Have a branded thumbnail that has a look and feel of your brand. The second thing you can do to brand your channel is to take advantage of creating a custom channel art. So when I'm saying that, I'm talking about when you go to someone's channel and you look at that banner at the top, that artwork, that's your opportunity to then make it, customize it so that it feels like your brand. Because when people are looking at your video or they see it in the feed, they might say, I like this person, I might subscribe, let me see similar videos, let me see what they're all about. And they may click over, go to your channel, and how is your channel presenting itself? You know, you gotta think about, what does my channel look like to people, to your audience? So that banner there, make sure that it is branded in a way that highlights your brand. Whether it's, once again, the same colors, the same fonts, the same style, your picture. I really recommend that you have your picture there. And whatever messaging, tagline, you know, you may want to even say to people how often you're uploading video. Put that in your channel art or something that stands out that's unique to your brand. The third thing that you can do to really brand your channel, brand you on YouTube, is to have a watermark. You probably noticed when looking at other videos that at the bottom there's a little icon that's there on the videos, and you're probably wondering, well, what is that? And then if you hover over it, it will prompt you to subscribe. So some people may have subscribe there, some people have their logo, but that's another opportunity to once again make your mark. You can put your logo, put the subscribe button with your branded colors or some sort of icon. Maybe it's your acronym, you know, the letters of your name or something that's a branded symbol. And remember that that little watermark, you can make that visible on all your videos. So whenever anyone's watching you and they're on your videos, they'll see that icon and know, oh yeah, that's your video. And not only that, but it's always there to remind them, subscribe if they haven't already done so. The fourth thing you can do to brand yourself here on YouTube is to have a catchphrase. So this extends beyond YouTube here. This is talking about taglines here, having some sort of catchy saying that you always say that becomes a memorable thing that you say on your channel or in any video that you have. For instance, here on Raw Branded TV, I always say, you know, that my name is Renee. I give a little introduction about that I'm from Raw Branded, and I say that I'm here to help creative people, small businesses to be the best brand. You know, I have that little saying there, and I always at the end of my videos tell people to stay raw branded, and that's just my thing that helps to remind you that that's me, that's my saying, and that's me telling you to stay authentic, to brand yourself, and to arrive in a way that resonates with your audience authentically. So that's my go-to saying, but it becomes something that's like a part of the personality, a part of the brand experience. So it's good to have some sort of saying that people always remember when they're going to your channel, when they're viewing your videos. So think about that a little bit. Another way in which you can brand your channel is to have a color scheme. This is going again to the design of your channel art and also of your thumbnail, is to incorporate some sort of brand colors. What is that? What are you using to make your mark on these videos? You know, what is the color scheme that you're using? And make sure that whatever the colors are, whatever the font is even, make sure that it's always consistently used on each of your videos. That way you're maintaining that same look and feel that reminds people, has that visual trigger about you and your brand. So make sure you think about your colors and also your font. The other way you can brand your channel is by incorporating swag. And yes, I am partially talking about your personality, but the other swag that you may want to bring to the table is any of the giveaways that you might have. If you have like what I have here, my Raw Branded mug, that's always a prop in my videos, put that into the scene so that it's always visible and reminds people. It's like a visual cue. Or what some YouTubers do really well is they'll wear some t-shirt that has their brand name on it or a logo or something that's calling out to their brand. So you can do that also. You know, if you have a t-shirt that you have that's out there, wear them in your video so that people know that they can purchase the shirt and get the same item. Oh yeah, and that was a shameless plug of my shirt. You can go to reneewalker.me/swag. Yes, total shameless plug, I admit it. The other way in which you can brand yourself here on YouTube is to have a trailer. You know, those are basically like the little commercials that play, that promote your channel. And what you can do is on your channel, you know, if someone hasn't subscribed to you before, they have a different view of your channel versus someone who's a subscriber. So people who aren't subscribed will have a video that they'll initially see. And what you want to do is upload some sort of trailer. Or if you don't have a trailer, and I'll go back to what that is, upload your best video there so that's an experience that they're immediately seeing. Going back to trailers, if you do have a trailer, that's like a commercial that you can use. It's basically a video that introduces your brand. So you're giving an introduction about who you are, what you do, what people can experience from your channel, and why they should subscribe. So you want to have that information all captured in that video and then upload that as your trailer to your channel. So hopefully these tips were helpful for you. This is just a couple of ways in which you can brand yourself on YouTube so that you can stay memorable. So incorporate all these things. I encourage it. But at the very least, do one of these things and build from there. So if you have other questions about building your brand, do subscribe to this channel because I break it all down for you on my channel. You get tech, you get business marketing strategies on how to build your brand. And a great way for you to get started on building your brand is to download the Raw Branded checklist. If you click on the link below, you can get started and it will help to audit your brand to make sure that you're really sharpening it and fine-tuning it so that it's connecting with your audience. So download the checklist below. So subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.